How to change TradingView account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch account or log in into another account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this menu icon. Tap on menu. So this is the account with which you are logged in. Now here on the bottom, you can see this sign out option. Tap on sign out. So it will take some time and you have been signed out. Now in order to log in again, tap on menu and you'll be able to see this option called sign in. Tap on sign in. Now select the account with which you want to log in and just tap on the account. So it will take some time and it's done. So you are logged in into another account. So this is how you change or switch account in TradingView. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.